Hello, my name is Christina Roberts and I am in Group 4. I will be presenting information today from Chapter 9, Teachers Talk About Race, Class, and Achievement. The following objectives will be discussed during this presentation. Number 1, to understand the form or format the work described in this chapter utilizes. Number 2, to understand additional questions that are raised from this inquiry. And number 3, to understand the connections that we made to our own context and questions. This research study was based on a qualitative research method and knowledge of context presented by Delvin Dinkins. There was a group created known as the Academic Achievement Group that consisted of teachers of various content areas. The information collected during this research focused on 15 teachers that attended at least 5 of the 6 meetings that were held. That lasted anywhere between 45 minutes to 2.5 hours. The focus of this study was on teachers because Mr. Dinkins had experience as a teacher, and teachers play an important role in the underperformance of students. The purpose of the larger qualitative study, as stated in the text, was to generate grounded, expert knowledge from the field to bring change that is directed at improvement. What additional questions are raised from this inquiry? Number 1, how often do school districts deeply analyze the impact of racial differences in student achievement? Number 2, is racial and socioeconomic isolation a factor in the underachievement of students? And number 3, will providing students with mentoring help create a sense of belonging and increase their academic achievement? What connections can you make to your own context and questions? We have all experienced at some point correcting a student who has done something wrong and it immediately turns into an issue of race. We also believe that struggling students should not be permitted to take honors or AP courses. And the last one, the success of all students should be recognized and celebrated.